The James Webb Space Telescope is the most powerful space telescope ever launched into space, and it is already taken images of objects too distant for the Hubble Space Telescope. It is making progress every day and has been able to capture photographs of several stunning galaxies in the universe. In this video, we will show you some of the spectacular images of galaxies taken by the James Webb Space Telescope. Make sure you stay tuned till the end of the video to witness the mystifying beauty of these galaxies. Before we begin, welcome to Discover Space. If you want to be a part of our space journey, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell next to it to be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Number 14. NGC 2525. This image shows the stunning galaxy NGC 2525. This galaxy, which is around 70 million light-years away from Earth, is a part of the Puppis constellation in the southern hemisphere. It forms part of the constellation Argo, which appears in Greek mythology together with the Carina and Vela. And a supermassive black hole exists at the center of NGC 2525. A supermassive black hole, which can have a mass of hundreds of thousands to billions of times than that of the Sun, is present in almost every galaxy. A number of photographs of NGC 2525 has been taken as a part of research to determine the rate at which the universe is expanding. Number 13. NGC 1300. This is the image of the barred spiral galaxy NGC 1300. It shows a display of starlight, glowing gas, and silhouetted dark clouds of interstellar dust. It is thought that NGC 1300 is a prototype barred spiral galaxy. Barred spirals are different from regular spiral galaxies in that the arms of the galaxy are connected to the two ends of a straight bar of stars with a nucleus at its core instead of spiraling all the way into the galaxy's center. Number 12. The Mice. This is the image of an amazing pair of galaxies performing a celestial game of cat and mouse, or in this case, mouse and mouse. The merging galaxies, which are 300 million light-years away in the constellation Coma Berenices, are known as the Mice, due to the length of each galaxy star and gas-filled tails. The duo, also known as NGC 4676, will someday combine to form a single enormous galaxy. Number 11. Messier 106. This is Messier 106, also known as NGC 4258. It is an intermediate spiral galaxy in the constellation Cans Venatici. M106 is at a distance of about 22 to 25 million light-years away from Earth. M106 contains an active nucleus, and the presence of a central supermassive black hole has been demonstrated from radio wavelength observations of the rotation of a disk of molecular gas orbiting within the inner light year around the black hole. Number 10. NGC 6217. This is the image of NGC 6217. It is a barred spiral galaxy located some 67 million light-years away in the constellation Ursa Minor. NGC 6217 has been characterized as a starburst galaxy, which means it is undergoing a high rate of star formation compared to a typical galaxy. As a result, the spectrum is dominated by stellar photoionization from young, hot stars. At the core of the galaxy is a low luminosity active galactic nucleus, which has formed an H2 region. Number 9. M74. This scattering of bright pink areas adorning the spiral arms is the image of galaxy M74. These are massive, relatively short-lived clouds of hydrogen gas that glow pink because of the intense radiation from hot, newborn stars that are embedded within them. Astronomers refer to these areas of star formation as H2 regions because they show an excess of light at ultraviolet wavelengths. Number 8. NGC 1672. This is the barred spiral galaxy NGC 1672. It displays red glowing hydrogen gas clouds together with clusters of bright, young stars along its spiral arms. The brightness of the stars behind them is partially obscured and reddened by delicate dust curtains. The four main arms of NGC 1672, which are flanked by striking dust lanes that stretch out of the center, highlight the object's symmetrical appearance. Number 7. Evil Eye. This is a spiral galaxy NGC 4826. located 17 million light-years away in the constellation Coma Berenices. Because of the dark band of dust that spans one eyeside of its bright nucleus, this galaxy is frequently referred to as a black eye or evil eye galaxy. Astronomers are aware of NGC 4826's peculiar internal motion. This galaxy's gas is revolving in opposite directions in its outer and core regions, which may be related to a recent merger. The area where the opposingly revolving gases collide is where new stars are created. Number 6. NGC 5866. This image of the disk galaxy NGC 5866, which is tilted almost edge on to our line of sight. A distinct dust lane splitting the galaxy into two halves can be seen. The image reveals the structure of the galaxy. A faint reddish bulge encircling a bright nucleus, a blue disk of stars parallel to the dust lane, and a transparent outer halo. Some wispy faint dust trails may be seen wandering outward from the galaxy's disk and into the bulge and inner halo. Numerous gravitationally bound clusters of approximately 1 million stars each are scattered throughout the outer halo. Number 5. Pinwheel Galaxy. This is the image of the Pinwheel Galaxy. It is also known as Messier 101 or NGC 5457. It is a face-on spiral galaxy 21 million light-years away from Earth in the constellation Ursa Major. In this image, incomparable details can be seen of the enormous Pinwheel Galaxy. It is one of the best-known examples of grand design spirals and its supergiant star-forming regions. The image is the biggest and most detailed spiral galaxy image yet captured by the observatory. Number 4. NGC 1792. This is a close-up picture of NGC 1792. Large areas of the galaxy's signature blue signal the presence of young, hot stars, while the older, cooler stars are found in the orange hues observed closer to the galaxy's center. NGC 1792 is a spiral galaxy and a starburst galaxy that lies in the constellation Columba. In a starburst galaxy, star formation can occur up to 10 times more quickly than in the Milky Way. These brief starburst phases can be sparked by galactic processes like mergers and tidal interactions in galaxies with a lot of gas, like NGC 1792. These powerful starburst supernova explosions and strong stellar winds can add energy to the gas and spread it everywhere. As a result, star creation is stopped before the galaxy runs out of fuel entirely. Number 3. M51. This is the image of the magnificent spiral galaxy M51. M51, also known as NGC 5194. It has delicate curving arms that resemble a vast spiral staircase stretching over space. They are actually broad lanes of dust and gas. It shows the galaxy's curving spiral arms where young stars live, as well as its yellowish central core where the older stars live. The whirlpool nickname for the galaxy refers to its spiraling composition. The whirlpool's two curved arms, a distinguishing characteristic of so-called grand design spiral galaxies, are its most spectacular feature. Number 2. Tadpole. This strange-looking galaxy, with a long stream of stars looking to be speeding across space like a runaway pinwheel firecracker against a beautiful background of millions of galaxies. This is the image of the galaxy UGC 10214. This spiral galaxy is known as a tadpole. Its deformed shape was caused by a small interloper, a very blue, compact galaxy visible in the upper left corner of the more massive tadpole. The tadpole is located in the constellation Draco, 420 million light-years distant. The tiny interloper, seen glowing through the tadpole's disk, is probably a hit-and-run galaxy that is currently evacuating the scene of the collision. Number 1. M61. This is the image of the galaxy M61. Its bright heart, which is surrounded by its swirling spiral arms and dark tendrils of dust, dominates this view. The spiral arms of M61 are dotted with ruby red patches of light in addition to the usual bright bands of stars. These blazing areas are the indicators of recent star creation and classify M61 as a star-burst galaxy. Although this galaxy's dazzling spiral is a beautiful sight, one of M61's most intriguing characteristics is hidden near the image's core. M61 is home to a supermassive black hole that is more than 5 million times as big as the Sun. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching the video. If you have enjoyed it, don't forget to like it. Also, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to never miss a video. Also, let us know the image you're most amazed by in the comment section down below. Until the next time.